Welcome students, class 10th maths, chapter 1st, real numbers. Today we are going to start exercise 1.2. Before this, yesterday we have been discussed about the fundamental theorem of arithmetics. According to fundamental theorem of arithmetics, any composite number can be expressed as or factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique except for the order in which the prime factors are occurs. किसी भी भाज्य संख्या को हम भाज्य संख्याओं के गुणनफल के रूप में व्यक्त कर सकते हैं, जबकि इनका जो क्रम है वह एक क्रम को देखे बिना उनका जो फैक्टराइजेशन है वो यूनिक है, एक अद्वितीय है. कैसे अद्वितीय था हमने आपको बताया था. किसी भी कंपोजिट नंबर्स के जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स होंगे वो क्या होंगे, यूनिक होंगे, उनके अलावा कोई अदर फैक्टर नहीं हो सकता है. जैसे 35 के 5 और 7 ही होंगे और कोई अन्य फैक्टर इसके प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन अन्य फैक्टर नहीं होंगे. ऐसे ही 210 के 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 5 इंटू 7 के अलावा कोई अदर फैक्टर नहीं हो सकता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स. सो टुडे इन एक्सरसाइज 1.2 we have to find the prime factorization of given numbers expressed as the product of its prime factor. हमको क्या करने, प्राइम फैक्टर करने. Let us start students. First we have to given 140. Now you know the rules of division. कैसे हम डिवाइड को मालूम करते हैं कि कौन नंबर किससे डिविजिबल है. तो डिविजिबिलिटी हमको आनी चाहिए. 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 हमने पढ़ी है क्लास 6 में. बट हम यहाँ पे कौन सी डिविजिबिलिटी यूज़ करेंगे, ओनली प्राइम नंबर्स की. इट मीन्स 2 3 5 7 11 अप टू so on, these number can be taken. Okay, now for 140 we know in the ones place there is 0, so it will be divisible by 2. So because 2 is the smallest prime number, so we will take 2. 2 7 is 14 and 0 70. Again by 2 because there is 0. 2 35 is 70 and this 35 can be divided by 5. 5 7 is 35. All these are prime factor because 7 is also a prime numbers. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 are the prime factor of 140. इसके अलावा कोई अदर फैक्टर इसके हो ही नहीं सकते. So this can be written as 140 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. In the exponential form we can write it 140 is equal to 2 की power 2 because there are 2 2, so 2 की power 2 into 5 into 7. These are the prime factor of the 140. Similarly students, the next question is 156. Again there is 6 in ones place, it will be divisible by 2. So by dividing 2 156 we get 2 7 is 14 and 2 8 is 16. It means 78. Again there is 8 in one place, even number, so divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 9 is 18. This 39 is divisible by 3 because the sum of the two number is 12 and the 12 is divisible by 3, and so the number whole number is also divisible by 3. So 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, we get 13. 13 is the prime numbers. Stop dividing and finally we get the prime factor of 156 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. So it's very simple. There are prime factor 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Again because there are 2 2, so this can be written into 2 की power 2 into 3 into 13. It's so easy students. Okay, let us start in the third part of this question, that is 3825. Okay, take this and let us start dividing. Because there is 5 2 7 7 or 8 15 15 and 3 18. The sum of the digits are 18. We know the 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6 is 18, so the whole number is also divisible by 3. Any number, this number, how to check that the number is divisible by 3? Add the number digits, and if the sum is divisible by 3, then the whole number is also divisible by 3. Okay, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21, or 3 5 are 15, 1275. Okay, again 7 5 12, 12 2 14, 14 or 1 15, 3 5 are 15, so whole number is also divisible by 3. So 3 6 are 12, 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15. Okay, 3 4 are 12, 3 2 are 6 and 3 5. Again this number is divisible by 5. Why? Because the sum of number is 5 to 7, 7 or 4 11. 11 is not divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 3. If in the ones place there is 0 and 1, sorry 0 and 5, the whole number is also divisible by 5. So follow this rule, then divided by 5, 5 8 ja 40, 5 5 ja 25. Again there is 5, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 7 ja 35. It means 17. We know the 17 is also a prime number, so the prime factor of the 3825 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. Now this can be written as in the form of exponential power 3 की power 2 into 5 की power 2 into 17. These are the prime factor of 3825. These prime factors are again we can say that is unique, because 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17 is equal to 3825. Okay. Next 5005, very interesting digit. 5005, again we see in the ones place there is 5, so it is divisible by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 0 0, 5 1 ja 5, 1001. Okay, this 1001 is divisible by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 3 30, 7 4 ja 28 and 7 3 ja 21. Okay, 143. This 143 is divisible by again 11. By dividing 11 we get 11 1 ja 11, 11 3 ja 13. Okay, oh sorry, this 5 is not here. So the prime factor of 5005 is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13, and finally we can write this because they are not double digits, so they are single. So we can write 5 into 7 into 11 into 13 are the prime factor of 5005. So students, similarly you can do the factor of prime factor of 7429. Do practice. Thank you.